Nuclear facilities, ranging from power plants and research reactors to fuel processing centers and waste storage sites, handle the most powerful energy sources known to humanity. Ensuring their safety is absolutely essential. Thanks to engineering, it is safe from the ground up. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of engineering through cutting-edge research, breakthrough technologies, and real-world innovations. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Safety begins with design. Engineers use a defense-in-depth approach with multiple layers of protection. Thick concrete and steel containment buildings, shielded reactor vessels, and independent cooling loops all work together to ensure no single failure can lead to disaster. Every part of the plant is designed with safety margins to withstand natural disasters, equipment faults, and even human error. Advanced materials improve the safety of the nuclear facilities. Fuel rods are wrapped in special coatings like zirconium or ceramics that can handle extreme heat and radiation. This helps prevent accidents and keeps the reactor safe. The parts of a reactor are built with high precision. Special welding techniques make sure pipes and tanks are sealed perfectly. Components are checked using X-rays or ultrasound, adhering to strict safety protocols. To keep things cool, reactors have several backup cooling systems. These systems can use pumps, gravity, or pressure to make sure the core stays cool, even if the power goes out. Reactor control is automatic. Special rods made from neutron-absorbing materials help manage the nuclear reaction. In emergencies, the system can shut the reactor down within seconds. Thousands of sensors keep a constant watch, tracking temperature, pressure, radiation, and more. If a reading goes out of range, alarms alert the team. The system often shuts down automatically during an earthquake or blocks off areas in case of a leak. From the drawing board to waste disposal, safety in nuclear facilities is built layer by layer through world-class engineering. Advanced designs, materials, precision manufacturing, thermal management, automation, and continuous monitoring are highly engineered. You can trust that engineers ensure that nuclear energy remains one of the safest forms of power on Earth.